Hey guys, Maddie at liftedtrucks.com. I'm at our Glendale store celebrating our 2-year anniversary at this location. We are quickly becoming known as the friendliest dealership in Glendale, and we want to invite you in to see why. Our dealership and our trucks are clean and sanitized. During these trying times, we're offering deferred payments for up to 120 days, and most of our trucks are discounted. Make sure to stop by 7050 West Bell Road in Glendale, and for more information, log on to liftedtrucks.com.